Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to remove and replace these dome or reading light bulbs. This video should apply to these models made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to pop out this plastic insert right here. So ideal tool to use would be like a plastic trim remover, but if you can't do it with this, you can use like a small flat screwdriver. Just be careful not to do any damage to this plastic, right? So kind of just get in here and gently pop it out. See, there's couple of plastic clips holding it in place. It's not a big deal to do it. And you will do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but yeah, this is the idea. Okay, now once you have this cover off, if you want, you can probably remove it completely. But that even doesn't have to be done because you have access to two mounting screws. You'll have one here and one on the opposite side. To remove these screws, you will need torx T20 socket and a ratchet or a screwdriver. So yeah, remove those two. Okay, so these are the screws, and once you have them out, you should be able to remove this piece completely just by gently pulling it down. Okay, this is the idea, right? And now you should have access to the light bulbs. Okay, now the next step, if you really want to make your life easier, you can disconnect these two cables and then do this change on your desk or anything like that, or you can do it like this when this is just hanging down from the roof, from the ceiling. It's really up to you. For the purpose of this video, I will remove these two connectors just so I can record it better. Now to remove this one, you have like a small blue tab here. Just want to press it and pull it out. Okay, you see. And for the other one, I might have to use both of my hands. Now the idea on this one, I'll turn the flash on my phone. The idea on this one, there's like a small black tab here as well. You kind of have to, see, pull it away from the connector and then with your other hand, pull the connector out. Like I said, I'll have to use both of my hands to do this one. Okay, so I've disconnected everything. Now I'll show you one more time. Now this guy, you see, all you have to do, you have to push this here to the side and then pull out the connector. And now removing the bulbs, it's quite easy. All you have to do, you have to turn these sockets counterclockwise and remove the bulb. I'll use these pliers. Okay, see, and here is the bulb. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. And now to remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull the bulb straight out. It's always recommended to use rubber gloves when doing this, just because your skin oil doesn't get onto this light, and that will reduce the life of the light bulb, right? I don't have gloves right now handy, but I just want to mention that. Like I said, to remove it, just pull it straight out, and again for that I'll have to use both of my hands. I'll try to record it, but yeah. Okay, so here's the bulb, right? That's it. When you're installing the new bulb, first insert the bulb into this black socket, and then you will insert the socket into this housing and turn it. And that's pretty much it. Job done. And one more tip, before installing back everything in its place, just connect the wiring and then test by pressing the buttons to make sure that the bulbs work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.